Looking for a way to ditch those tangled or faulty HDMI cables? Well, today's episode is just for you. We have partnered up with PeakDo to take a look at their wireless transmitter and receiver HDMI pack. So we're going to get it out of the box, let you guys know what we think, all in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, then make sure you are following where you see this content at. Today's episode is brought to you by PeakDo. We have their wireless HDMI transmitter we're going to be taking a look at, getting it out of the box. All the links and details, of course, are located in the description, so make sure to check that out. And without any further ado, let's go check this out. So here we have the PeakDo wireless HDMI transmitter. This is an awesome package. Let's see what I would get in the box. On top we have the user manual, the paperwork of course, nice to have. Then we have some of the devices wrapped in static free plastic. Right here, the PeakDo 4K. We've got a thread mount right here for like a tripod or anything of that sort. A USB-C port, an HDMI port. Then we have another piece right here. An HDMI part comes off. Gives us another attachment piece. They go together, kind of like Legos. And then the box on the bottom has some more parts inside. Wrapped in the plastic, we have some cables. We have a USB to USB-C, an HDMI L-curve adapter, an HDMI cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB to USB-C cable that's in an angle. That is everything we get right out of the box on the PeakDo 4K mini wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. So if you're looking for serious wireless HDMI transmission, this is the way to go. The 4K miniS can pull off a HDMI signal wirelessly without any lag, as well as being lossless and uncompressed. Needing no app, no Wi-Fi, no installations, just all plug and play. As well as being small and portable. I mean, PeakDo has thought of everything with this device. Not to mention, it will even work with mobile devices that will allow HDMI output. The total range of this device is rated at 30 meters. That is around 98 feet. And you're getting that total distance by a 60 gigahertz wave that's being used as a new technology. And it's widely used in the 5th generation communication technology of the United States. So PeakDo has been exploring and expanding the application range of millimeter wave technology, bringing us this PeakDo 60 gigahertz 4K miniS wireless HDMI transmitter kit with a range up to 100 feet. At the highest resolution at 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz, or you can drop that down to 1920 by 1080 at 120 Hz. And jumping into the 4K test, I was highly impressed at the clarity of the transmission. With no dropouts, with that total range of around 30 meters, you really get a nice image that really sets the PeakDo apart from other devices, along with just the availability of the plug and play technology, making it super easy and quick to use. I absolutely love using the PeakDo wireless transmitter in the studio because I can access the TV and put anything on it with any device instantly and wirelessly. And when you're getting in the zone, we all love being clutter free, and that's exactly what the PeakDo wireless transmitter does. Whether I'm using this with my laptop or throwing it on a camera so I can see what I'm filming, the PeakDo miniS has absolutely got the job done. So if you are out on the market and you're looking to pick up a HDMI transmitter, this is one highly recommend to look into. Of course, we have all the links and details to the PeakDo miniS located in the description, so make sure to check that out. As well as I'd like to give a huge shout out to PeakDo for partnering up with us to give you this review. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments and let us know how you would use this device. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you are following where you are seeing this episode at. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.